Hey everyone, Tony here. Hope you're doing well. Hope your weekend is going well. It's Sunday, April 15th. I have some big news as it relates to crypto trading exchanges and apps. But first, I wanted to highlight a few things here with the market, guys. We are still seeing some steady growth here, which is great. I'm definitely happy about that. But as I mentioned to you guys, because there's manipulation in the market, I want to give this a few days to a week so we can see some actual trends and make sure this is not some sort of pump and dump because there is manipulation in the market. Now, take a look at this chart here, the Bitcoin chart from TradingView, just to give you an idea where we're at. We're right here, right? But we want to make sure that there's some sort of trend. We don't want to jump the gun because if you look at where we at from where we were in December and even, early March, and I want to see us Bitcoin go back to that, over 10,000 mark, between 10 and 12,000 mark, and then I'll comfortably say like, okay, we've seen some trends here. We're seeing some upward growth. There's some time in between when this sentiment, the bullish sentiment started. So we're able to validate it with some data. So that's why I'm not jumping the gun and saying we're in full recovery, but we're seeing some signs, and let's see how this plays out this week. And as I as I stated in that video yesterday, this is an important week that's coming up because the tax season ends in the United States. So hopefully that should spark some sort of bull run or even just market recovery at least. I'll take that, even if it's not the big bull run, right? Because the big bull run will not happen overnight. It will take some time. So maybe by May, we'll start seeing that bull run start. But once again, I want to share this with you guys so you're not jumping the gun and don't get too excited. We want to make sure we watch what's happening here, and let's use the data from a day-by-day basis and then validate it with some sort of trends, right? So let's jump into the news, guys. Germany's #2 stock exchange unveils a crypto trading app. So very much like Robinhood launched their crypto trading app, Germany's doing that. Germany's #2 stock exchange. Now this is significant because we're talking about a stock exchange, guys. Obviously, right? They serve up, they offer you to transact with stocks and so forth, buying and selling, trading. But the fact that they're moving into crypto, that guy should give you confidence. I've been telling you guys, they're not in this for fun. They're not wasting money and resources to develop these services for fun, guys. They're in it to make money. So if you're holding crypto, this is a great sign. So let me give you guys some details here. The fintech arm of Germany's second largest stock exchange is set to launch a cryptocurrency trading app later this year. Soa Labs, a subsidiary of, oh man, I can't pronounce it. I'm not even going to try. Unveiled the app on Friday, which is said would be available for use in September and will initially offer trading support for Bitcoin, Ether, XRP, and Litecoin. According to the app's official website, more assets are coming. So this is what the official website looks like. The name of the company is Bison. So once again, an app to make it very easy for folks to purchase cryptocurrencies. So once again, these things should give you confidence. The fact that these things are rolling out, right? Even if the market has been so bad for the past few months, a lot of big moves are happening. A lot of different crypto exchanges are launching. A lot of traditional institutions are coming into cryptocurrency. We've heard about a lot of rich people, George Soros, investment fund related to the Rockefellers and just Goldman Sachs guys. A lot is going on behind the scenes while this market has been down. And that's why I've been telling you guys, watch what the big money is doing. Watch what these institutions are doing. Because if they are being aggressive and they're setting up to get into this market and to launch services, that means there's money to be made. Another bull run is going to come. We are still in the infancy stage. This market has not matured yet. So you are ahead of the curve holding cryptocurrencies, guys. The other big news, and I think this is big, Yahoo, as you guys know, the search engine company, buys a stake in a cryptocurrency exchange. So can you believe that? Yahoo. So Yahoo Japan confirmed Friday that it has purchased a minority stake in a Japanese cryptocurrency exchange. Z Corporation, a subsidiary wholly owned by Yahoo Japan, acquired 40% stake in BitArg, or BitARG, I don't know if I'm saying that correctly, Exchange Tokyo, valued at 2 to 3 billion yen, about 18.6 to $27 million. The exchange is set to launch in the autumn of 2018, Yahoo Japan said. So think about that, right? Even this app by the here by the Germany Stock Exchange. That's coming later in the year. So it's not even happening like right now, but these guys are gearing up. They're not looking at right now. They're looking ahead. They understand the volatility in the market. They understand bear and bull markets. And that's why you as an investor should also understand that. And like I said, watch what the big money is doing. Watch what the whales, the institutions are doing, because they are looking to make money, guys. And trust me when I tell you this, they are doing their homework. They're researching. They're paying people to research an items and understand what's going on in the market, because they don't want to lose money. They want to make money. So when you see moves like this, right, that should give you confidence, and that should right away let you know, okay, we got ways to go. There's money to be made here. So hold on to your crypto, guys. We are in for a big ride. I'm not saying there's not going to be ups and downs along the way, right? Because this market is volatile, guys. But the point is, big money is on its way. Some of it's already in the market. Some have already announced publicly that they're going to invest in this market. Blockchain technology is here to stay. Cryptocurrencies are here to stay. Governments are allowing cryptocurrencies to exist. They're going to regulate it, but they're not killing it, and that's important. So it's here to stay. It's not going anywhere. So if anyone tells you cryptocurrency is dead or the market is dead, they do not know what they're talking about. You're just following their feelings. They're not looking at facts. So be careful with that. Don't follow your feelings, so to speak. Look at the facts, right? The market is not, even though we're in some slight recovery, the market's not great right now if you compare it to where it was a couple of months ago. So you got to watch what's happening and look at the facts, guys. So anyway, I think this is big news. And if you look at this is happening globally. Japan, Germany, right? The United States. This is not just from one specific country. So this is going to be huge, guys. Really think, if you step back and look at this and what's happening across the globe in different countries. There's even the news, I don't think I covered it, where Sharia law, so related to the Muslim religion, they have said investing in Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies is okay. So I don't know anything about their religion and whatever it is, but that opens up a whole other market, guys. When you think about all the rich money that exists in the Arab countries and the Muslim countries, I'm talking about Saudi Arabia, where the citizens don't even have to pay taxes because there's so much oil revenue. I'm talking about United Arab Emirates. I'm talking about all that money there, guys, all that oil money. So get ready. I'm telling you guys, I see the moves happening with these institutions, traditional institutions like stock exchanges, and it's like, wow, okay, this thing is going places. The market will go in that big bull run again, and so get ready. I hope you mapped out in your spreadsheet your sell prices. So you got to map it out, know what you're going to sell at. If it's in different stages, what, depending on how many different types of cryptos you're holding. I've done that, so I know. excuse me. That as soon as Bitcoin hits a certain price, I'm going to sell some of my Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Ripple XRP. So make sure you're ready, guys. Be prepared, and once again, watch what the big money is doing. Anyway, what do you guys think about this news? Leave your comments in the comment section below. Thumbs up if you like this video, and please subscribe for more videos on cryptocurrencies. Talk to you guys later.